It's Dr. Peacock here. We're going to be talking about our upcoming workshop on sugar, stress, and inflammation. And to kick that off, I like to describe the holiday season, because we enter the holiday season, it just happens to us. And most Americans, it's exactly what happens to you, is that the holidays just happen. I gained some weight and I don't know what happened to me. And when you think about it, the holiday season goes everywhere from including Halloween all the way through January 2nd. It's over 60 days and people expect to cheat all the way through on their health. And so an exercise that I think paints this picture for us, because most of us are visual learners, we like to see these details, is if you had to just simply take your nutritional choices by themselves and give yourself a green check mark based on those nutrition choices, or a red X, meaning I totally blasted my diet, I did not eat healthy food that day. This is what our month would look like, right? This is a person who's really failing to plan their month ahead, and instead they're planning to fail. And so this is where we end up, and it just happens to you, right? This is exactly what a standard American diet will do. This is what the holidays will do to you. So what I want you to do, unlike this one, is fix your eyes on this and fix your goal setting on this. And I want you guys to plan your red X's. I know it sounds silly. I thought we were supposed to be setting positive goals. No. Plan your vacations so that you know where you have to work, right? So everyone in November, once again, unless your health goals are that strict, I want everyone to put a red X on the 25th, because that is Thanksgiving. I mean, come on, you guys are going to be around a bunch of family, a bunch of good food, and you're going to eat way more than what you're supposed to, right? So put a big red X there, and I want you guys to go ahead and put a red X on the next day too, because you guys are going to have leftovers, and you're going to eat there. So once again, put a red X there. Plan to vacation. Plan to have fun. Because you know what, the rest of the week, I want you to say, I have to make better health choices that week because of that. Now, this is the reality, is once you get done with your month, this is something that you can work towards and attain and achieve. But this is a person that's going to have full of life, full of energy, and be the contrast to this person who's just not a fun person to be around, always getting sick, and just certainly not living to the best of their ability, what God has intention for you. So this is exactly, like I said, why I wanted to show you this is exactly why we do these workshops. We do free workshops in our office because we believe that health is yours by right. That is something that we can help guide you with. And if you're the person that says, you know what, I need help during these holiday seasons, that's exactly why we're hosting the Sugar, Stress, and Inflammation workshop. We're going to be hosting it at Heartland Church. It is a free workshop, and it is ideal for not just yourself, but bring your family involved. It's hard for one person to eat healthy in the family, whereas you get the whole family involved. Now you're cooking. Now you're making some headway, and the whole family is getting healthy with you. So once again, click that link below. See the details below. We'd love to see you. You can either click the link below and sign up, or call in the office, and we look forward to talking with you. But more importantly, we look forward to meeting those health goals this holiday season, and we look forward to seeing you in the office. Have a blessed one. We'll see you next time.